Final round. Missed question corrections. Part 10. Wire colors. 110 volt circuit, hot wire is black. 120 volt circuits use white and black. 220 volt circuits use black and red. 240 volt circuits use black and red. 480 volt circuits use brown, orange, yellow, boy. May use number 6 copper or number 4 aluminum wire as a ground with the green rape phase to end. 4-wire delta connected system. Delta high voltage leg is orange. Delta high leg is usually on phase B. Delta high leg, orange, on B phase. Green wire, or bare copper, is normally the ground. Green wire in cooling systems signifies low voltage fan relays. Green in cooling, low voltage fan relay. White wire is normally the neutral. White or brown wire used in heating. Yellow used in cooling. Uninsulated wire in Romex is ground wire. 3-conductor table, third wire is red. 3-wire, red. 4-conductor table, fourth wire is blue. 4-wire, blue. 5-conductor table, fifth wire is yellow. 5-wire, yellow.